How to fix Blum Crypto not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Blum Crypto not working. If the Blum Crypto bot on Telegram is not working as expected, then here are some steps you can follow to resolve this issue. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the stable internet connection. You may also try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data to see if the issue still persists. For that, you can completely close the Telegram application and then restart it. This often resolves minor glitches or issues related to the app itself. You will also need to ensure that you are using the latest version of Telegram. If your app is outdated, the bot might not work correctly. So for that, you will need to open your Play Store of your device and here tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Then in the search bar, search for Telegram. Once you find the Telegram, here tap on the Telegram icon to open it. And check if any update is available there. If you see the update button, go ahead and tap on this update button in order to update the Telegram application. If the application is already up to date and you are still facing this issue, then you might need to clear the Telegram cache. For that, you need to open your device settings. And in the settings page, here scroll down to find application option. Once you find the application option, you need to tap on it to open it. And inside it here, you'll be able to find various applications installed on your device. In this page here, you will need to scroll down all the way to find Telegram. Once you find the Telegram application, you need to tap on it to open it. And inside it here, find storage option. Tap on storage to open it. And here at the bottom right in this page, you'll be able to see clear cache option. Tap on clear cache. And the cache will be cleared now. This can help if the bot is not functioning. After that, open the Telegram and check if the issue still persists. Sometimes there may be bot server down. To check that, you can tap on the search bar at the top right and here search for Blum. Once you get the Blum bot, you need to tap on it to open it. And in this page here, you'll be able to see Join Community option. Tap on Join Community, tap on this Join button in this page and you'll be able to join it. And here you will need to look for an announcement that says there is server down in Blum. Also sometimes bots are temporarily disabled for updates. You need to check for any announcements about the bot being under maintenance. If this doesn't solve your problem, then you may need to uninstall and reinstall the application. For that, you need to open your Play Store of your device. Here tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Then in the search bar, search for Telegram. Once you find the Telegram, tap on it to open it and inside it here you'll be able to see the uninstall button. Tap on this uninstall and confirm it by tapping on uninstall once again. This will help you to uninstall the application. Now after uninstalling, you can simply tap on this install button in order to reinstall the application. Wait for a while until it successfully gets reinstalled on your device. Once it is installed on your device, now you can use your credentials and then you'll be able to solve this problem. So by following one of these steps, you should be able to fix most issues with Blum Crypto bot. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.